Orient lawn shirt. Round neckline with slit and beads. Lace inserted into the panels. Straight sleeves with lace. Lace details all over the daman. Hand-sewed hems. That's designed to look stylish with comfort. This one is my regular client's dress. Cuffed sleeves with lace detailing. Round neckline with slit and buttons. Laces attached in daman. This is made from the leftover fabric of previous dress. Yoke frock with round collar. Button-down opening. Huge flared bottom. Cuffed sleeves with lace. Thanks for watching.